Forward looking into earnings here, we're looking at Beyond Meat. Now, obviously, we had that big pop around 3 weeks ago in here, but we are looking forward to earnings in here coming in tomorrow after market. Our RSI is at 37, so nothing to worry about there, especially with the earnings catalyst. But right here, this 9-day EMA sitting at 195. That is going to be the key level for us in here. We have a 25-cent expected move being priced in by this Friday. So if we can get a nice little push, hopefully we can maybe get like a two-time expected move in here and we can go up and kind of kiss that 9-day EMA or perhaps even breach it and work our way to that 223 or higher. Now, obviously, I don't think we're going to go up here to those 769s like we were 3 weeks ago. But definitely a big an outlier move to the upside could happen in here, especially with the way everything has been trading as far as recently. So I wouldn't be surprised if we did get up above the $2 handle in here. But if not, then we're going to be looking at that 195 for a harsh resistance for us. Anything below that, basically, we're just going to chalk it up to $1. And then we're looking at this low right here of 50 cents. That's kind of what we're looking at in here. Low risk, low reward play in here because even if you don't get a two-time expected move, you just get the expected move in here. Your options aren't really going to be worth a whole lot, and you're not really paying a whole lot for them in here anyway, because the IV that's already in there is going to become contracted. So basically, all you're doing is more or less using this as a lotto in here. All you're basically you can buy the what's this, the 1.5s for 13 cents right now, and you're just basically banking on a lotto saying, hey, I want this thing to just go up to 15, 16, 20 cents, something like that. Take your money and run. And let's just say you're buying 100 contracts of those, right? So you can sell a couple tranches off of that if you want to, or just sell all of it after you hit whatever it is you are looking for in here. But low risk, low reward play. Obviously, tons of volume on the call side. You had a lot of action on those puts, the 61,000 volume of the $1 puts in here, but everything else obviously on the call side in here. Even if you go all the way out to right around $5, you still had right around 5,000 of those call contracts in here traded today. So we're going to see what happens as we work our way into earnings. Perhaps we might get a little pop in here. Not quite sure. We'll have to see what happens, but basically you're just using this as an overall lotto, working ourselves or looking forward into earnings and hoping we can get a work up in here to right around that 195 or $2 level. 25-cent expected move priced in by this Friday, like we already mentioned, 41 by the following, 48 by the monthly expirations in here. So let's see what happens as we look forward here in Beyond Meat. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.